अस्सलाम वालेकुम। खैरियत जी, आज सुबह की मॉर्निंग है 8 तारीख की और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इंशाल्लाह हम अपना सफ़र यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे इस होटल से अस्तूर के लिए। तो टूरिस्ट की गाड़ी जा रही है यहाँ से मैं उनके साथ हूँ। तो ये देखिए जी ये होटल का अलविदाई मनाज़र है। इंशाल्लाह आई होप you understand my this little bit speech and my this video. Very nice and beautiful video and very beautiful morning. Little bit hot, little bit cold, everywhere around me, behind me, front of me. Okay, this is sunshine front of me, therefore I think you're not seeing good video. Okay, I try to other side. Okay, this is a very beautiful Skardu Hassan Colony area, Skardu Viewpoint Hotel. This is the Skardu Viewpoint Hotel, two sides. One side of the bottom of the this area. This is area bottom of this area. And other I inshallah you see after this scene. These two big buildings are top of this area. Okay, this area is very beautiful planning for the gift of this hotel's owners for the God side. We are Muslims. We accept our one Khuda in one God. We are all Muslims. In around the world, in Pakistan, I think in Pakistan, 95% and 6% people are Muslim. Therefore, in Gilgit, same. Okay, inshallah, you will see and accept my just little small video. Inshallah, after 1 week, I will come back from Astor after I give you other different places videos available. Okay, thank you everybody, fine and happy in this moment. Khuda Hafiz, and like and subscribe this my channel.